Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closed mixed on Friday. Shares in energy, tech, hardware and equipment, and media, they were under pressure, while shares in food and staples retailing, automobiles and components, as well as household and personal products, they gained traction. On the economic docket market, U.S. manufacturing PMI slightly lowered in a preliminary read to 55.4 in November. Services PMI decreasing to 54.4, while U.S. composite PMI declining to 54.4 in a preliminary read. This all while decliners beating out advancers, 60% of S&P 500 constituents trading lower on Friday. Now, with no major aftermarket news, we go straight to Asia as those markets were gaining ground today. The Nikkei up just about 0.75%. Hang Seng up 1 3/4%. China CSI 300 down 0.07%, but South Korea's Kospi up 1 1/4%. European markets posting a rebound, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, there's no major earnings expected today, but on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have the Chicago Fed National Activity Index. 10:30 in the morning, we have the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Activity Index. Now, over in the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees further upside. The Nasdaq sees further upside, and that's also in focus as the relative strength index supported by a bullish trend line. Long positions above 65.32 are favored, with targets at 66.45 and 66.90 in extension, while the Dow Jones sees further upside.